Hi all. Can you make someone's day special without spending money? Is it possible? Really? Yes. Watch out my entire video to know how you can do this. Try to remember when was the last time you received a compliment. How did you feel when you received it? Happy, excited, confident, proud, right? The deepest desire in human mind is the craving to be appreciated. Now tell me, when was the last time you gave compliment to someone? To your colleague who helped you in solving a problem? To your kids for helping you on how to use your new electronic gadget? Think about it. When you show people what is good in them, it helps them recognize the value within themselves and feel more confident. Compliments builds confidence. When you focus on good in people, good gets better. It encourages other people to do their best. When you say you have done a great job to your subordinate, they try to perform even better next time. If you give compliment to your wife or mother saying, "What an awesome dish you cooked today," they'll be like, "Did you really like it? Thank you." The same routine task of cooking will be very interesting for them. It builds the bond between two people. When you start liking something about people, they also start liking something in you. If you compliment your colleagues about an idea that helped you, they will also start complimenting you something like you are a good team player or you are a very disciplined person. When you give compliments, you feel better because of positive impact you create on others' life. Compliments benefits the giver. It helps for your well-being also. Yes, I am not kidding. Oxytocin is one of the happy chemicals secreted in our brain for various reasons. And one of the reasons is giving compliments to others. It helps us being healthy. To give compliments, you have to come out of your comfort zone. And when you do that, your confidence builds further. It grows you as a person. Now let me share a few interesting tips on how we can give great compliments. But before that, if you are enjoying the video, please click subscribe button and bell icon to get interesting videos on life skills and soft skills with me. I'm going to share 4 interesting tips today on how to give effective compliments. When you say you did good work, it is not a proper compliment. Something is missing here. You need to tell exactly what did you like about their work or how it helped you or your company or your project. If you say you are looking gorgeous today, this can be taken in negative way. The other person might think, only today? To avoid any confusion, be specific. Say specifically that you look gorgeous in this beautiful sari. When you are specific, people feel it is a genuine compliment. Whenever you spot someone doing something great, say it, don't wait. It is not a task to be listed. Just do it. When you see your junior doing good job, don't wait for their appraisal to tell them. Just go and appreciate. Give a testimonial when you like somebody's service or product. Compliment them telling what specifically you like about their service or product. You have a good taste in music, a taste in fashion, music, decorating something. Compliment your friends for that. You inspire me. What a compliment to receive. Should we compliment again and again to the same person? Yes, we can. And we need to do it whenever we feel like doing it. Just make sure it does not become too much. Else the person will not feel that you are doing it genuinely. The other person will doubt that you are doing this because you want something in return. Give it only when you mean it and when the other person deserves it. When you give a compliment, give it with a smile and make sure your words and tones are matching. When you say, you are doing a good job. You don't sound genuine. You smile and say, you are doing a good job. So that's it for now. Share your comments in the comment box. Write to whom you are going to give your next compliment. If you have liked the video, please share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Everyone is gifted with something unique. So give compliments. Spread happiness within and around with compliments. Stay tuned for more interesting videos like this, which will help you in your personal and professional life.